Getting started with krewSheet. krewSheet is a spreadsheet plugin that allows you to edit Kintone data in a spreadsheet view with all of the familiarity of Excel. In this video, we are going to go over how to get started with krewSheet. Before we begin the installation process, you will need to have your Kintone environment set up. If you don't have a Kintone account yet, head over to Kintone.com to get started with a free trial or purchase. You will also need to request the trial and plugin files by reaching out to Plugin Marketplace at kddia.com or krew.support@meshius.com. Plugin installation is covered in detail at the link provided. Once you have your Kintone environment set up and have the plugin zip files handy, you can begin the plugin installation process. Note that the following installation steps will need to be completed by a Kintone administrator. First, we will need to open the Kintone administration screen. Next, navigate to Other, then to Plugins. Now find and click the button labeled Import. In the subsequent screen, click Browse and navigate to the zip folder you downloaded from the link in the Krew confirmation email. It should be labeled krewsheet.zip. It is important not to unzip the file. Finally, click the button labeled Import. Now that the plugin is installed, we can create a new Kintone app to test the krewSheet plugin. Like in previous steps, you will need administrative permissions to create apps in your Kintone environment. In the Kintone portal, click on the plus button to create a new app. In the next screen, we're presented with a number of options. For the sake of this video, we're going to select Create from Excel to convert an existing spreadsheet to an app. Ensure that the spreadsheet you are converting meets all of the criteria and click Check All, then the Continue to Upload button. Next, browse to where your spreadsheet is located and upload. In the screens that follow, ensure all of your fields are converted properly and click Convert. Now that the app has been created, the first thing we'll need to do is create a custom view where the krewSheet plugin will live. To do this, go back into the app we just created and click the gear icon in the top right of the screen. Click on the Views tab and click the plus sign to create a new view. Give the view a name and then select the Custom View radio button. This will bring up the text editor where you can create the new div that will display krewSheet in the view. Enter the following information. Once that's done, click Save. In the subsequent screen, click Update App. Great! Now the app and custom view have been created. Let's go ahead and add the krewSheet plugin to the app so we can use it. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on App Settings and then click Plugins to Add Plugin. If everything was installed correctly in the Kintone environment, you should see all of the plugins that you've installed listed on this screen. Check the box next to krewSheet and click Add. Next, navigate back to the App Settings page and click the Update App button. Kintone will now put you back in your view where you'll be met with a pop-up that prompts you to configure krewSheet. Click OK to navigate to the krewSheet Designer. Now we're presented with an activation prompt. This is where we'll enter the serial key that was sent to us in the email mentioned previously. Go ahead and enter that serial key and click OK. And that's it. Now we can begin using the krewSheet Designer to create spreadsheets based on our Kintone data. Once in the designer, we can drag all of the columns that we want to display in the sheet, then click Save and Publish. This should automatically display the view where we can see a spreadsheet, where you can create new rows, edit existing rows, and modify data, all without ever leaving the spreadsheet. Learn more at krew.meshius.com.